In this short presentation, we'll be describing the unique Jamb Mounted Hold-Tight Handrail by Home Freedom. The Jamb Mounted Handrail is the perfect railing for 1 to 3 stairs, available in lengths of either 18 or 32 inches, and come powder-coated in either black or white. The black powder-coated handrail has a slightly textured surface, offering a non-slip grip. The white handrail has a gloss finish. They mount easily onto your door jamb and are set at a standard angle to follow the slope of your stairs. The patent-pending mounting bracket comes with stainless steel screws and was designed to connect to solid wood from 2 different angles, providing an extra strong and dependable mount.